we see after I've recorded, it's another question, but
That's okay. No problems.
we'll see. All right, so if we grab up an existing one and then print it to screen.
Yep.
So I'm not sure if it's which screen it's, oh, it must be recording this screen. It's all right. Okay,
Yep.
so this is the starting point then, right, for your new ones.
Yep.
So then if you click this button here,
yep,
you can then go to report versions and you'll see there's been a couple versions. So this one here's the latest one. And if you go edit
version, yeah.
Version, it downloads a little file called SO. That's the report name.
Yep.
To your downloads folder. So
yep.
if you then open that up, it will want a username and a password. So I'll just grab the password out of here that I need. So that will be your username and password. And then it'll open up the form, right?
Right.
So then the first step would be to save this form back to the European tenant. Yep. So if you go File, Save to Server, and instead of GTW Australia there, you want to have GTW Europe.
Yep.
So in there we'll go GTW Europe, and we'll call it version 1.0. And so then now that's, if you were to just go into the Europe one, that will now print the same way that
that's for
that the Australian one did.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
So let's just confirm that. Just put in something and go print sales order. Oh, there's a sub report as well. So at some point you've had it's so long ago, I don't remember, but this will mean that there's an actual sub report that the first report's pointing to. So like a summary report inside a report inside a report, essentially.
Yep.
So we'll have to grab that one too. So if I just go open from server, I can actually put in that report name, just SO 64 10 11 64 10 11. So that must be doing something, some sort of subtotaling. So then if we'll save that one to the European tenant as well. Now that should run.
Yep.
Okay. So obviously that's a bit different. Needs, you want to change whatever you want to change. But yeah, I don't know how you want to go about that, but that sort of gets you your starting point.
I should be able to put the logos and everything. It's very similar to, well, from what I'm seeing from your little screenshots, it looks very similar to the actual original old MIOB, how they set theirs up. So I should be able to drag those areas into the report and then set them up. Is that correct?
Yeah, let's do some of the basic stuff first so you get a feel for it. So we'll open this one up from the Europe one. That one. So the logos, you can either have two options, this one here, which dynamically changes, or you can drag it into the actual report itself.
Yep.
But the reason it's not displaying anything at the moment is because in here, if you go to companies, you don't have any logos loaded in this company. So probably that's the quickest way of doing it. So we'll do that first. So in here, we just need to upload the logos. Do you have them available?
We just have to have Global Track Warehouse. You don't need, I think from our existing ones, it's just got Global Track Warehouse. It's got the big GTW.
Oh, we get the picture on there.
Yeah, have we? Yeah. No, from our old.
Oh, from the old.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, so the one that we've got using on Australia, I don't believe the word Australia is on it. So we can
go here. You've got that currently.
That's that'll do. Yep.
All right, so save image as, just throw it on the desktop for now. So then if we go back into Europe and load that as the same logo back in.
Yep.
Load it as well. Okay, so then if we go to your sales order.
Yep, beautiful.
And then obviously different bank details and other things.
Correct. Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, I mean, we normally do this for people, but you're more than welcome to give it a go.
Yeah.
Up to you.
Okay.
We'd need a mock-up of what you wanted, and you'd have to wait a couple of weeks if we were going to do it, because most people are on holidays still.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, I'll give it a go and see how I go, because it looks very similar.
I'll give you some tips.
Yep, sure.
So
give me tips.
Clicking stuff on this side is going to give you the detail of what's happening on this side, right? So for some reason, these two are blue, right? So if we expand that out, that blue is coming from the fact that it's got this style heading 1BC colored, whereas this one doesn't. Does. Maybe it's been manually changed. So we want to take that blue out probably. So we'll go to back image. Is it watercolor? Where's the blue coming from? Color. That one blue. It's normal. It's no longer blue. And then font.
So the font is white, have they? Black. Yeah.
Yeah. So that kind of stuff, and you'll see the changes that are made over here, and that one looks like it's bold. So
yeah, just click bold, make it true. Yeah. Okay.
So there'll be a lot of back and forth. What the easiest way of doing it is to go file, save to server, right? And just maybe call it version 1.1 or whatever. But you can keep this open the entire time, right? So I've changed it to 1.1, and I can move that off to my other screen and just go, all right, well, how did that go? And print it out again.
And have a look. Yeah.
Have a look without having to download it each time, right? So the blue's gone. So I can just drag this back over and go, well, that seemed to work. I'll make that one not blue. I'll save it back to the server and just keep on. So don't keep closing this one down. That's all I'm saying.
Yep.
Just keep on going. File, save to server, and you don't have to keep saving it as a new version. Only if you're doing something where you think, oh, there's a formula there or something, and I might bugger something up.
Okay.
But if you're just making font changes and stuff.
Now, to get the company details at this stage, because we don't have an actual, we sort of do have a temporary business address, I'd put that into our actual companies and put that information in there. Is that correct?
Yeah. So a lot of it will be dynamic and some of it won't be. So that company stuff,
yes,
if you put some information in here, you should see more stuff coming through those reports.
Yeah, exactly. All right. No, because I'm thinking I might just put the temporary information in and then fix that up later when we get because the building's still being renovated, so we're not moving in there yet.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that reports, like if you look at a report and it's got stuff like this in it, that's all dynamically coming from that section. So
okay. And can I add areas in there?
Yeah. The easiest way I find is to just copy one and paste it into the same section and then do whatever you want to do with it. So just copy that and then paste it back in.
Beautiful. All right.
Then I've got something else to use, and that red line means that it's overlapping.
Yep.
With another thing. So.
Yep. Move it out of the way. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Yeah. If I hit any problems, I'll let you know.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. So that's what I want to so I'll be doing that next. That's my next little project. And I think Ron would like to speak to you. Do you want my headset, or do you want to?
Oh no, we can put on the speaker. You might as well.
I don't have speaker on this one.
Well, you can put on the phone.
I'm going to put you on your. I'm going to put you.
Put on the phone.
I'm going to put you on the phone. Hold on a second.
Okay.
Let's swap you over.
I could have just gone to see Travis yesterday because I was in Adelaide.
Oh, you were in Adelaide yesterday. Oh, he was over there yesterday.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
The electricity meter reader the whole day.
You did what?
From 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. I sat in an empty building, and I was the last job. I was his last job.
Oh no, that's not good. Okay, so let's go with my Teams. Where are we? Teams would be really handy right now. Right, yeah, try that.
Do you want to mute your?
I'm going to mute this one. Yeah.
Travis, can you hear me?
Yep.
Get rid of this one.
No, just click it on the screen instead.
Where?
Just the mic. Yeah, there we go.
There you go.
All right. So basically, what I'm planning to do for one of our clients today is just to set up a view only of the portal, just for the inventory. It does nothing else, but you can look at all the inventory items. Just as a test. So basically, what I want to do is set up a user class for that. I played around with it the other day, and I wasn't too sure what to do. So since you're here now and we're in a meeting, I might as well see what we can do here.
Yep. All right. So did you go into access rights by role?
Yes.
Okay. And we had, say, administrator. And then you wanted to, so these are all of the screens within the portal, right? Well, roughly speaking, you might not have them all, but like if I were to do the same access rights by role in the actual product, I would see all of these modules.
Yeah, so I was in the actual product, so.
Okay, so this is the access rights by role inside the portal.
Okay.
Right. So, so if you want, usually, well, you're the only person I know who actually uses the portal, but the processes would be the same. You copy the role and say, I'm going to copy this one and call it view only. That's my starting point, right?
Okay.
View only. So at the moment, that's exactly the same as the administrator role. But then you would start removing permissions from it. So like if we go to orders section and you don't want them to see it at all, if that's what you want to do, you'd say that that's revoked. If you wanted them to see things but not change them, then you could set that to view only. And you'd be able to do that at a granular level. So you could be able to go, I want them to see the item catalog, but not my cart, for example.
Yep. Okay. So basically, instead of playing around on the product, I have to log into the portal itself in my user and mess around with these in the administration.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you know if I'm set up as a portal user?
Portal user.
Because I've been playing around on the test at the moment. I know how to set up people, but I know how to set up administrators on the portal.
Yep. I'll have to figure it out because, like I said, you're the only one who uses it. So I'm in there, and that's the login I just used to get in there. So do I have anything special about that? Portal admin and portal user. So let's make sure that you.
And this is for Europe.
You're in Europe at the moment, yeah.
Do you want Europe?
Or
is it Australia for now?
Just Australia and Europe. So not Europe, the US at the moment.
Yeah, okay. Where are you?
Yep.
Portal admin and portal user.
All right. So stupid question.
Well, not really, because I'm probably not going to know the answer. I'll have to have a look. Yes, go on.
So just to log in myself into the portal, same page as the other one, or again, I'm just worried I'm logging in the product every time.
No, not the same page. It is. Where did it go? It's portal-gtw-advanced.com.
Okay.
The other thing though is how do you set yourself up or your clients up to get access? I think I wrote it down.
Yeah, I think I have an email on that one. Sorry, I'm not.
Yeah. So this is where I've set up myself as a portal user. And you, so I set that up and sent you an email about it.
Yep. All right, no worries.
Then off of that, you've got here, portal user. How do we select that user, that view only user that we just created? Because those users don't really match up with those users that we just looked at. Heaps more users in there. Because there's only those ones there. So. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's not showing up the one we just created, or the
or any of the other ones.
Do you have to mark it as a guest role?
Yes, quite possibly actually. How do you do that?
I think we're just
I did do that. Access rights by role. That was in my instructions I gave you. Now that you mention it, I don't think you can tick it there. Portal user. Do you have the instructions? Because I do remember something about a guest role now.
Hold on.
I'll try and find them as well. Guest role.
I'm looking at it now. I want to continue. No, it doesn't say anything about guest users. I've only just adding roles.
I do remember now that is something to do with it, though.
Does it have to be in the main system? Sorry, you probably know.
No. Like I said, no one uses this, so I'm happy to take suggestions. View only did show up here. Oh, that's maybe a different view only.
Is that tick available? No. Okay, that's annoying.
So if we go to one that does have it, ticket. I'll ask someone, we'll figure it out. I'll come back to you on that one, but I think that is the answer. It needs to be ticked.
Yep. Yeah, if you can let me know and just just send some instructions over to me. And then if you can, is the portal activated on the GTW USA side? It's not urgent, but I'm like I would like.
Not yet.
I
don't know how to do that either, so I might have to ask someone how that works.
Okay, not urgent. Just add it to your to-do list for us.
Yeah, I'll look into the guest role thing now. And I'll ask how to do that one. There's not many consultants working this week, but hopefully someone will come back to me early next week. Yeah.
Do you know when Sean's back? I've been trying to get a hold of him, but it just seems to have disappeared for the last 3-4 weeks.
Let's see if it tells me when I do this. Sometimes it says it gives you the message, but I must have already sent him something, and now my mouse battery has died. There wasn't much of a warning, was it? It flashed up a warning going, "It's critical," and then it just stopped. I think next week I'll go fix my mouse, and I'll let you know about that as well.
Yeah, that's all right. Well, if you do talk to him, just I'm just waiting for his reply to the replacement because Callum wasn't allowed to do it. Is the more correct term there. Apart from that, I hope your house is okay. Or getting repaired.
Just getting my new. I've got my mouse back again. Yeah, I think it's next week though. There we go. Mouse works. Can I tell from this somehow? No, I don't know. How else could I tell? Teams maybe tells you.
Okay. Well, we'll figure that out next week.
Yeah, I can't tell exactly. Sorry.
No, that's
but I
right.
do think it is next week. I don't think it's any longer than that.
Yep. All right. Well, I should just come and saw you yesterday. I sat in Lonsdale the whole day, which was fun.
That would have been.
Okay. Well, I'm not far from Lonsdale, my house. So yeah, probably could have, but never mind.
That's all right. Well, all right. Well, I'll wait for you. Yeah.
I'll look now for the guest role thing, and I'll ask how to roll out the portal to other tenants. I'll do both of those things now. I don't expect an answer on the second one straight away, though.
Right. Yeah. Awesome. All right. I appreciate it, Travis. I'll get that ready. Get the I'll work with just the current user on the portal now because the only user will have is view only. And I'll just send it to the person using it.
All right. I'll come back to you straight away.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Thanks, mate.
Bye.